Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Dazzle Dan. Yeah, man. Dazzle Dan with CT Badness, Connecticut Badness. Yeah. So we see Cartel go Brooklyn Badness. So the boss go Connecticut Badness. Yes. That one here is produced by College Boy. College Boy, big up yourself. College Boy did it. So big up yourself. Dazzle, one thing we find where you need to fix up with this thing I do. We jump in and show people them what go on. One thing we find where you need to start out up as just a CT Badness, it needs to say your name too. Like what you know. Yes, it dep on your page. Dazzle Dan, but it needs to be it needs to be Dazzle Dan CT Badness. So put your name on the title. Example over here, so you say vibrate with humans. Yeah, just put it over the side there, and you know, make it right. And also, oh shit, me never see this. Your comments are turned off because you upload it and tick the box where say it is made for kids. Once you tick the box and made for kids, you cannot put on comments on the video. You see me? And your comments your videos need to be commenting on so people can interact with your product, with your music, with you. You see me? So yeah, go back in it and tick the box and say not made for kids. All right. Let me drop a like. All right, let's jump in on here where the G have to say. Anyway, let's go. CT Badness, let's go.
Different type of aliens, different type of ratings, different type of telescope, different type of waves.
Dig your grave from your DC man, them a CT. Hard fought bad man, them we kill you for free. Double clip tape up, them round a Bridgeport. Me I tell you this train a run, suck your mother Joe out. I bury them ready anytime.
How about this, Dazzle go? College Boy, big up again.
Different type of aliens, different type of ratings, different type of telescope, different type of
Dig
Ready?
your grave from your DC man, them a CT. Hard fought bad man, them we kill you for free. Double clip tape up, them round a Bridgeport. Me I tell you this train a run, suck your mother Joe out. I bury them ready anytime when you ready. Clip them loaded, gun them heavy. New even niggas on the bleach by M Street. But them we killing at your dream like Freddy.
Yo, obviously, I've never been to Connecticut before, but when the G say so, and the whole Connecticut look like it get big up. So big up all the people from Connecticut and the surrounding areas we know the G talk about. Big up yourself.
Fuck your mother Joe out, I bury them ready anytime when you ready. Clip them loaded, gun them heavy.
Badness, man.
different type of ratings,
That's it again.
Dig your grave from your DC man, them
Them
a
a
CT.
CT.
Hard fought bad man, them we kill you for free. Double clip tape up, them round a Bridgeport. Me I tell you this train a run, suck your mother Joe out.
No.
I bury them ready anytime when you ready. Clip them loaded, gun them heavy. New even niggas on the bleach by M Street. But them we killing at your dream like Freddy. You are some different type of goons with some different type of rules. Different type of badness with some different type of shoes.
You hear that? Some different type of goons with some different type of rules, different type of badness with different type of shows.
The dream like Freddy. You are some different type of goons with some different type of rules. Different type of badness with some different type of shoes. Different type of aliens. Different type of ratings. Different type of telescope. Different type of waiting.
What?
Now what make you think them clot is slap from Stanford back to New York. Thugs them a Danbury, don't take talk. Just watch how you move them and cut out your heart.
Ooh.
When did I want you, but you not listen. Can't this the thugs them from New Britain. And they want them, don't marry them a big friend, heartless, real killer them.
I so much place I can't take out. Look at me if you visit some of them places, man. You look at me if you link up with Dazzle and visit some of them places. I look like you can't go them places unless you have a links in them places. You want to go them places.
New Britain. And they want them, don't go marry them my big friend, heartless, real killer them. You are some different type of goons, with some different type of rules. Different type of badness, with some different type of shoes. Different type of aliens, different type of ratings. Different type of telescope, different type of wave. Dig your grave from your DC man, them a CT. Hard for bad man, them we kill you for free. Double clip tape up, they round a Bridgeport. Me I tell you this straight, I run suck your mother joke. I bury them ready, anytime when you ready. Clip them loaded, gun them heavy. New even niggas and a bleach man M Street. But them we killing at your dream like Freddy. You are some different type of rules, with some different type of rules. Different type of badness, with some different type of shoes. Different type of aliens, different type of ratings. Different type of telescope, different type of wavelengths.
Blood class! So the man I tell you say, yo, I don't know nah man badness they can't cut. Big up all the surrounding areas them. Big up all of the G them where them players get shot out. You know see a bad place over there. I don't know wall out. Hey, CT man them run suck him at a joke. Not try that. Yo, we get
Come in a furry.
hear that? Yeah. So man, we are this a road youth. Big up the whole of CT, big up the whole of Connecticut. Dazzle, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, man, Dazzle Dan, man. Big up yourself. College boy, big up yourself. That one is bad. So here we know. Until Dazzle Dan fix him comment section, on the father my comment section now, and tell him what you think about the song. And especially if you fall from Connecticut, big up yourself. Are the surrounding areas, big up yourself. But yeah, that's it. And start out the comment section so people can forward over there. Also, guys, the one I got pinned in the comment section. So make sure you say you go over there, go tell them say you're a Jamaica game, I send you. You understand? Yeah, man. We have to show about the youth them, man. We have to show about the youth them. Yeah, let me know what you think about this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.